Hey everybody, wanted to show you a quick demo of OpenSCAD and what it's capable of. So I started OpenSCAD and we're going to read in a stacked box. So it's generated this box off of some source code over here. So I could change all kinds of parameters up here that have to do with the box. Like here's the number of cores in the middle. I'll just save that. You'll see over here that now the box has 3 layers in it instead of 4. And change that back to something crazy like 6. You can really see the difference over here, how it's all stacked up thick. So basically there's plexiglass slices in the middle with a slice or a cover on top and a cover on bottom with some little rubber feet. And there's tons of parameters you can change with this. Let's look straight down the top. Like this wall thickness. Let's come over here and core wall thickness. Let's change that to maybe 6 millimeters. See a big difference. Yeah, so now it moved that wall back a lot, made it much thinner. So this allows you to change this box in a lot of different ways. Let's change this back to like 3. So pretty cool. You can change the color of like the top and bottom are tinted right now, so it's got a red tint. You can change that up here. Color of the core plexiglass. Let's see. No, it's the cover we want to change. Let's change that from back to red green. We'll make it a little more green this time. Save that. So now you can see it's got a green tint to it. It's kind of cool. So tons of different parameters to change over here. When you're finally ready to generate the DXF, you change these comment lines around, and now it's going to use this projection down here to project the core plate. So we'll save that. And now over here you'll see this thing is generating. For some reason, I don't know why, it takes it a while to generate this view. So it's chugging away, chugging, killing my CPUs. But here in a second it should. Let's see. Gee, it's taking it a while. Yeah, this can take maybe up to a minute to do this for some reason. Unfortunately, it's only using one of my CPU cores. I don't know why that's the case, why it wouldn't, I've got all these CPUs hanging out here. It's only using one of them at 100%. These other guys are doing this video recording, so that's why I'm getting some activity here. But this is the one, CPU number 1, that's pegged at 100% regenerating this thing. So yeah, I don't know why it takes so long. It's kind of frustrating. It's such a simple, yeah, so there's the view it made. So after it makes the view, you press F6 and there is the projection of that plate. And now I can do a export to DXF and save that as, I don't know, just give it some dumb name. And now I've got a DXF representation of that core plate. You do the same thing. So after that one's done, you come in here and you change the projection. Comment that line out and comment that one and save it. And now you got to go through the same thing over here for some reason. Oh, that one much quicker. Hit F6 and now I can export that as a DXF. Give it some name. And there we go. So now I've got my 2 files all exported. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks a lot.